Hey, this is Dalton Grados with Grados Capital coming to you with a quick market update to wrap up the week. Today is September 11th, 2020. It's a Friday. So last market update I did was on Wednesday, and I did say that I was buying calls, but that we could retest the 50 EMA of the S&P and the NASDAQ, and that's exactly what happened. So yesterday, Thursday, we saw the market dip. I did actually close out of my Apple and Nvidia positions, not because I don't think that they might be good plays for next week, but it did hit my mental stop loss. I'll make another video about stop losses and mental stop losses, but it did hit the point where I wanted to go ahead and liquidate some cash and see what the market was going to do. So we came back down, we retested that 50 EMA. And here, let me actually pull up the charts here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So if we go here to the SPX chart, that is the S&P index. And we could see here, so my dotted green line here is the 50 EMA. And this is the daily chart. So this was Wednesday, or sorry, this red candle here was Tuesday. Wednesday we bounced up. Yesterday, Thursday, we're retesting, and now it's Friday, and we're retesting, and we're sitting right on that level. Same with the NASDAQ, it looks pretty much identical. So today trading was a bit choppy. I stayed out of the market until the right setup presented itself, and I actually played a QQQ put. That's the NASDAQ ETF, and I played a put and made 120% return. So I'm pretty proud of that. I like to focus on percentages, of course, because 120%, that's more than doubling your money. That's double your money plus 20%. That's amazing. So that's just the power of options trading. No matter what amount of money that you are thinking of right now, just imagine that return. So yeah, here if I open up my QQQ chart, I'll show you exactly where I bought and where I sold. So I bought here on this breakout candle down, and I actually sold. I'm really proud of myself. I sold right at the bottom. Now it looks like we're bouncing. I'm making this video at 2:15 Eastern time. There's a couple hours left in the trading day, but I wanted to get this done because I got some plans later with my lady. But anyway, it looks like we're bouncing off this level because this here was the same level that we bounced off on Wednesday. So you see that? We bounced off the same level there. So I bought and sold once we got to that level and was continuing to watch it if we were going to bounce there or if we were going to sink lower. It looks like we may be bouncing, but we will see. So overall, that is my trades, and that's my market update for today, Friday the 11th. And this weekend, I'm going to be working on doing some on-demand sessions and working on some scalping techniques. I don't typically enjoy scalping as much, but also I've kind of have stayed away from it altogether. I think with this market being so uncertain and so volatile, we're getting back into what feels like it was in July, where it was just choppy. And so I might practice some scalping techniques this weekend just to see, because looking on much smaller time frames, there are profits to be made. You just have to play it right. So I'm going to be working on that. I'll let you guys know what I end up doing with that, because overall, even though I said I don't really enjoy scalping too much, I want to be a well-rounded trader. And we want to, that's our goal as investors and traders, is we want to be able to weather all seasons of the market. So just like I'm a guitar player, I'm actually a pretty good guitar player. You can go check out my personal channel. It's just my name, Dalton Grados, where I have all my music stuff. But as a guitarist, I'm very well-rounded. I can play some jazz, I can play some blues, rock, funk, country. I can play all those genres. That's how we want to be as traders. So with my personality, I have tended to stick more towards day trading and swinging. And I do think that swinging is going to be really probably the best option in a more stable market. But when markets are unstable like this, it's going to be those scalping, those short-term plays that are going to be more consistent. So that's what I'm going to work on myself, and I will update you guys on that. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you're enjoying these videos. And as always, share with me any thoughts, questions, comments, insults that you might have in the comments. Have a good weekend.